A 60-year-old man tests positive for COVID 19 and presents with chest pain. Which of the following findings would not independently warrant admission to a dedicated COVID health center? Option A. Respiratory rate of 25 per minute. Option B. Oxygen saturation of 93%. Option C. Multiple comorbidities. Option D. Chest pain. The answer is option D. Chest pain. Doctors. Triage criteria for severe viral respiratory infections is a very important topic for the medical PG entrance exam. While subjective chest pain certainly warrants clinical evaluation to rule out acute coronary syndrome or pulmonary embolism, subjective symptoms alone do not dictate the strict physiological criteria for admission to a dedicated high dependency unit. Triage is driven by objective markers of respiratory failure or high risk status. Why are the other options wrong? Option A respiratory rate of 24 or more per minute, and option B, an oxygen saturation of 93% or less on room air are objective criteria indicating moderate to severe respiratory distress or impending hypoxia, which independently warrant admission. Option C, the presence of multiple comorbidities such as diabetes and hypertension places an older patient at high risk for rapid clinical deterioration, also justifying admission. The examiner trap here is assuming all chest pain bypasses standard emergency assessment for immediate dedicated unit admission. Doctors, let us run through a few related triage and management questions for respiratory infections. First question. What severity score is widely used to determine if a patient with community-acquired pneumonia requires hospitalization? The answer is the CURB 65 score, which evaluates confusion, urea, respiratory rate, blood pressure, and age 65 or older. Second question. What is the preferred initial non-invasive respiratory support for a severe viral pneumonitis patient with hypoxemic respiratory failure? The answer is a high-flow nasal cannula which provides oxygen and modest positive end expiratory pressure. Third question. Which pharmacological agent has been shown to reduce mortality in hospitalized patients with severe COVID 19 requiring supplemental oxygen? The answer is systemic corticosteroids, such as dexamethasone. Always rely on objective physiological scoring to drive your admission decisions.